Good morning, fellas. We are live. We are live. All right, get everything. Hey, good morning, R5 Studios. Perfect play. Good morning. How we doing, everybody? Man, we're just making new highs. This this overnight session was some kind of bull move. But honestly, I wish I would have been up trading in the overnight session. So this is my kind of price action. But we were sleeping. We were sleeping like a log. Kid Poker, how we doing? Good morning. Market only goes up. Yeah, that seems like that does seem right. Market only goes up until it doesn't. All right. I need to get my clock. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee Trader. How we doing? Okay, we're at the 18,300s incoming, right at the open here. This would have been the overnight high on Thursday, I believe, is the 320s. So I have no idea what to expect here. Are we going to just keep ripping higher at the open, or is this thing going to pull back quite a bit? Hey, good morning, D Versatility. Good morning, Paint Bar Trading. Good morning. Yeah, 322 previous high. As far as if we look at the 1 hour chart, we still got a little, we definitely haven't made new highs yet. New highs, we got quite a ways to go, but we shall see. Daily chart, we've been chopping back and forth, kind of going sideways here, to be honest. So, not sure what to expect. Definitely bullish in the overnight session. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? You logged into my Ninja Trader. None of the accounts are in my... Oh, really? I don't think that's ever happened. I did have some issue. Well, yesterday I was trying to open Ninja Trader and I couldn't get it open, but I think it was because of my Starlink. I realized later that my Starlink internet was down last night for some reason. Matty Matt, hey, I hope you get it. Alan Sutton, good morning. Paras, good morning. Real Steel Hammer, good morning. Trader J, good morning. Go SPVC, good morning. How's everyone doing this morning? Ready for a good start to the week. Obviously, we're going to be trading this account. My payout requests have not been approved yet, so Still waiting for that, which is fine. But we're in kind of the second phase now of this trading journey. We're in phase number 2. We're in phase number 2 now, where we've gotten all our payouts from these accounts. And now we are in the mindset of we just need to salvage some of these accounts that have only $500 of drawdown left. So basically all my remaining 15 accounts have only $500 of drawdown left. So right now it is salvage mode. Basically the goal is, hey, if we can, to be quite honest, if I could get 7 or 8 of these accounts back up to a payout again, I'd be thrilled. I would be thrilled. So we're obviously we're gonna lose some accounts. It's just gonna happen. Hopefully, hopefully not a lot, but it's gonna happen. But we're just gonna trade them one at a time. I'm gonna trade one mini, basically the same size trade that I have been taking, and we're just gonna see what happens. Or hopefully we can make some nice trades. Once we get an account balance up to close to 2,000, once we get an account to around $2,000 in profit, then we're gonna move to the next account. So basically, once we have like $2,000 of drawdown, then is when I'm gonna switch to the next account and kind of try to do the same thing with that account. I probably won't be trading a lot off stream, as far as I'm just going to focus on one account at a time, which means we will likely not, maybe April 15th through the 20th, we can maybe have some accounts for a payout depending how it goes, but I'm okay if I'm not in a rush. We're not in a rush. All right, we got ourselves a pullback right here before the open. Hey, good morning, Indie Scalper. Good morning, Design Knob. How we doing? Design. That Dave Teaches guy's the biggest schmuck alive. He's a douchebag. Why? Did you have an interaction with him, Design? Or did you just happen to watch some of his live videos or something? He's just I don't know. I don't have nothing. Whatever. My red flag is on full alert with him. Design. That sounds like something he would say. Dave Teaches is your hero. Yeah, right. Yeah, he follows that dork Nutty's trades. He came in here, if you guys remember, he came in my chat, I don't even know how long ago, and he was all, hey, Nutty, I'm here to offer my help to you. I'm going to offer you free education, blah, 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 blah. And I told him to go fly a kite. You know the worst part about a guy like Dave Teaches? You know what really, really grinds my gears? Is he wants to take credit for all of his students' trades and hard work. Like, hey, look, this was because of me. But you never hear him take any, you never hear of the people that, anyway, whatever. All right, we pulled back a little bit right here, getting close to the open. 5 minutes till open. How fast is Starlink? I mean, the downloads. So the download speeds for Starlink is really good. But if you have a fiber optic, then you do not want Starlink. You actually Paint Bar Trading. That actually annoys me that you have $800 upload. You have 800 upload or 800 download and 940 upload. I hope you stub your toe. I hate you. Starlink is not that fast, okay? How much I pay for Starlink? I think it's $120 per month. Yeah, foo-foo-rar. Their motto is, if they lose, it's their fault. They did it wrong. If they win, it's, haha, look what I did. Oh, I hate that. I absolutely hate it. Yeah, exactly design. Is there a difference with the consistency with evals compared to PAs? Yes, obviously. There are no consistency rules on evals. There's literally no rules on evals, okay? No rules. Get your account above the profit threshold. If you do that, you will pass. That's really it. There are literally no rules with evals, but obviously with PAs, there's a 30% consistency rule. You can't trade the news events and et cetera, et cetera. So make sure there's a lot. Apex has a lot of videos and stuff on rules for evals or rules for PA accounts. Make sure you guys actually listen to those videos because it's important to know so you don't freak out if, you know. I saw some people on Apex having funded accounts and trading tier 1 news events like it's nothing. And I'm just like shaking my head. Clearly states you can't do that. Then don't come crying to me when you get denied a payout. Giovanni, what did I do? What did I change in my trading to have accounts do so well? I mean, I feel like I did a little bit more of a scalping strategy, and I have a lot bigger stop loss and trading one account at a time. I feel like the combination of those three is kind of what really got me over the hump. All right, we got about 2.5 minutes till open. Market is pulling back a little bit more here, which is probably healthy. We will not be trading the open. Also, guys, if you're here, we will be doing, this is the week. This week, we will be doing a $100 giveaway every day of this week. What you don't know is when that will happen. It can happen at the beginning of stream, the middle of stream, the end of stream. So I'm just going to keep it at that. And if whoever's here when the giveaway is announced is here, and hopefully we are going to have to do a test. So I set up the giveaways to do it through Streamlabs now. And I think I have everything set up correctly, but we will have to do a test first to see and make sure everything is working. Very funny, Matty Matt. Very funny. Wait, you spilled an entire cup of coffee on your laptop? How in the world is it still working? That's crazy. Hey, good morning, Jen. Good morning. Good to see you. All right, we got about a minute left for open. Really interested to see what we do at open. I kind of expect this thing to rip higher, but we shall see. Here we go, boys. 30 seconds. And 5 seconds away. And here we go. Looks like we're ripping up. Maybe. Excuse me. Hey, Nelson, good morning. Oh, man. Market just kind of chilling. Not really anything happening here. See if we make new highs. All right, now making a move higher. Doesn't really feel kind of choppy right now. And now we're ripping higher. 310s, 315s. Kind of figured this was going to be the play. We're going to rip higher. Now the 320s was kind of an important level. Let's see if we rip through that. Hang on. And we're back. All right, so we've made it to the 30s. Oh, not quite. By the way, nice. Like my shirt. Kind of like this shirt. This is incredible. Is the market going up? Oh, my ticket. How we doing? Good morning. Peter Scheim, how we doing? Do you have limit withdrawals on a 100K account every 10 days? So Petersheim, so the first once you've made a withdrawal for 3 months, then after on your 4th month of making a withdrawal, there's no limit on withdrawals. You can withdraw as much as you want. But you do need to trade 10 days in between your withdrawals. And here we go through the 30s. Man, this market looks like we're just going to have a bull move today. When do we hear back? It just depends. Usually a couple days. Bob means how I got the shirt. So, it was like a couple months ago. No, maybe a month, maybe 3 weeks ago that Apex sent a link where you could pick a shirt if you had X amount in withdrawals.